cap and hair. Wearing the same cap, beanie, or hat daily without washing it. The inner band is a grease, sweat, and dirt slurry. You're grinding this paste into your follicles, creating a breeding ground for bacteria and causing friction alopecia along the band line. That scalding hot shower feels great. It's also melting the protective lipids off your scalp and hair, leaving it porous, dry, and prone to breakage. It's a slow cook. The "I'll deal with it later" mindset. That slight itch, the extra few hairs on the pillow or in your hand, dirts when hair shaking. Waiting is the most regretting decision you can make by the time it's slowly dying. The phone scalp press. Holding your phone to your ear with your shoulder, pressing it against your scalp and side hair. Constant pressure and friction in the exact same spot kills those follicles. You're giving yourself a bald patch for a phone call. Poor sleep and high cortisol. Every night of bad sleep spikes cortisol. Chronically high cortisol directly pushes hair follicles into the shedding telogen phase. You are literally stressing your hair out by not sleeping. The overwash.